guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be teaching you how you can create a soft pinky bridal smoky eye. I've been seeing this kind of look a lot on Instagram and I thought I have exactly the palette to do this. Today I will be using the Swiss Beauty Awaken eyeshadow palette. This is what the palette looks like. I'm going to first take this shade from the palette. I will be telling you the brush names that I'm using so you can just Google the shape of it and use whatever brush you have similar to that. I'm using Morphe M331. When you're looking straight, you put the color here and then you start blending it in a U shape like that socket you can see. I'm using a fluffier brush because I do want the color to be very diffused and soft right now. And I know I'm saying it's like a bridal look because a lot of brides are opting this kind of a look these days, but you don't have to be a bride to wear this. You can wear it even if you're a wedding guest or in general on your birthday. Now I will be taking this dusty color. I'm going to only put it on the lid. So when you look straight, this is what you get. Slightly over it and all over. Make sure you don't go too much on the inside and outside because when you start blending the color, it travels. If you go like this, you will realize that I was not going out of it. So when you come here, you start doing like a cylindrical oval motion and then just quickly wipe off the excess. I just applied the transition color. I haven't gone on the inside still, if you've noticed. I'm trying to meet that color. Now with the color that we were using on our lid, I'm going to place it very close to my lash line on like a flat brush. Now I will be taking this color from the palette. The brush I'm using is Morphe 382. And I'm only going to place it on the inner corners like so and slightly on this area that I left. Now I will use a nude kajal on my waterline. This is from Matte Look. I will be now doing the eyeliner before I do the glitter. The eyeliner I'm using is Farul Girl liquid eyeliner. It is super matte. Watch this video above if you want to know how I do my eyeliner. Now I will be taking glitter from this palette only. It's a pressed glitter, so you can apply glue if you want to. But if you just have like a few hour event, you can probably just go with the pressed glitter. I'm gonna apply it all over my lid in the center first. Like so. If your glitter looks like a patch, you probably have not applied it right. So as you when you apply glitter, just take some left over on your finger like this. That will give you that blended effect. I'll do some mascara first before I apply lashes. I'm using the Huda Beauty One Coat Wow mascara. Just touched up my nude eyeliner and now I'm going with the Zigos Beauty Eden lashes. I feel like I could do better with the inner corner, so I'm gonna go with this white color and I'll apply it like so. Another shade the palette has, I went with this color. This will give you that very angel eyes effect. So here's the final look.